sunbeams to lengthen out their stay, nor can we ask the shadow to ever stay away. Time flies on wings of lightning, we cannot call it back. It comes and passes forward along its onward track. And if we are not mindful, the chance will fade away. For life is quick in passing, 'tis as a single day. As winter time doth follow the pleasant summer days, so may our joys all vanish and pass far from our gaze. Then should